Alright guys, okay, so I'm going to be talking about the fully custom bike build, which is not going to be a fully custom bike build anymore. Over the last couple of days, I've needed some spares, like cable ends and shit like that. Now, the seller I usually go to, right, doesn't actually have them in stock at this point. And it's a certain type I need. Because I don't have that many left. I used some of these parts on a build last year, which I don't fancy stripping down and fucking taking all the parts off that, you know. But it's just annoying. You know, it's all about the finishing kit, isn't it? Yeah, to do a proper bike build, you need a proper finishing kit, and this is what I've been trying to sort out. Yeah, seat post, stem, handlebars, finishing kit in one fucking make. Yeah, it ain't easy, especially when you're up against a load of parts which are for 29ers. Yeah. So it's just becoming fucking more and more difficult to try and build a bike, especially a fully custom one. But that's all I wanted: seat post, handlebar, stem combination in one fucking make. So after fucking trying to do this for the best part of a couple of months now, I give up. So yeah, from swapping, because of all the fucking hassle and the sheer destruction of parts from other people that just cut them down willy nilly. If that all hadn't have happened, I would have probably had it built by now. But as I said, trying to get a combination of these parts is a fucking nightmare, and I'm done. I really can't be arsed with it. So I've still got the original stem on the bike because I don't have a riser stem. Yeah, and I've been trying to get older one for like 4 months now. Yeah. So yeah, I don't really fucking know what to do at this point. As I said, this online fully custom bike build, I seriously can't be arsed with it anymore. And frankly, I'd rather concentrate on something else now, So, yeah, fuck it. Considering I bought a Genesis Croydie Fur, complete, for that money is ridiculous. I'll probably have one or two other points that I could make, but I can't remember them off the top of my head. So, I just can't be bothered with it. But yeah, I've already started converting it. All the drop bars were off of it. I put on some race turbines, which I had kicking about. So yeah, all cables have been stripped off, the front bars are off and have been replaced by a set of turbines. I've got some dual brake levers on there at the minute. Some Santa Cruz PT grips I've put on. And I've taken the wheels off and I've dropped it down on 26s. So that's where I'm currently at. And as I said, trying to get the spares to build a bike in the first place, some certain spares are out of stock, as I said. So I've got to wait now to do my cables because I can't get little end caps and shit for it. So seriously, mate, you know what I mean? So I've got another bike just sitting there waiting for parts. Fucking hell.